Hello, in this video I want to show you the top tricks you can use on camera for OPPO Find X5 Lite. So the first one will be the camera burst shot, so click and hold the shutter and that way you'll be able to take the 20 photos with just a few seconds. Next is to click somewhere on the screen and that way you'll focus on a specific object and you'll be able to adjust the light with the slider right here. Also you can lock it. Now the rest of the options are in the settings, so click on the top right corner of the screen, navigate to the settings and right here you can disable the shutter sound, that way your photos will be silent. Also, if you go back to the settings, you can enable or disable camera location and that way if you take photos, you'll be able to preview the location in the information. So just if you enable it, you can see where you took the photos. Now the next one right here is to change volume button action. Click on it and you can pick what to do, what will the functions of the volume button. While in the camera you can change it to the volume and that way you simply adjust the volume for your device. You can go with a shutter, you'll be able to take the pictures with your volume key or use the zoom function. Now let's check it out. And now as you can see, I can zoom in with my volume keys. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.